Yo mga tol, ito yung dahilan kung bakit nag-grant ng naturalization process ng China si Kyle Anderson.
You're both Chinese and Jamaican. That's a unique combination.
Yeah, it is. But if you look back on the history of it, how a lot of people from India and China were migrating to Jamaica in the early 1900s. I think my grandfather around 1918 or 1921, around then. They were moving to work in Jamaica at that time, and then they would start families, and it's pretty cool once you do the homework and the research on it. And yeah, my grandmother was born in Jamaica. However, her dad was born in China and left China to come work in Jamaica and started a family there. And you know, there's my grandmother.
Alam nyo ba mga tol na unang naturalized player ng China si Kyle Anderson? Well, sa China kasi hindi basta-basta nakakakuha ng naturalization nang wala kang heritage relative sa China. Kaya naman nag-grant ang naturalization ni Kyle Anderson dahil sa kanyang lolo na Chinese.